Hello friends, in this particular episode, we'll see what is the judiciary in Honduras. Supreme Court of Justice. There are 15 judges. The term of the judge would be 7 years. The judges are elected by National Congress by a majority of 2/3 of the members. There are also 7 alternate judges selected. There is one judge who will be designated as president of the court. The judges of the court by 2/3 majority elect the president of the court with term of 7 years. This court has a special constitutional chamber comprised of 5 judges. The constitutional chamber hears the cases regarding violation of constitutional rights. Then we have Court of Appeal. This court is presided by a bench of 3 judges. This court hears appeal from lower courts. This court also hears habeas corpus cases. This court hears civil, commercial and criminal cases. Then we have first instance court, labor court, family court, tenant court, juvenile court, administrative court. Then there is a nominating body. This board proposes the names for the purpose of appointment as judges. The board has 7 members. The 7 members are nominated in the following way. 1 representative of the Supreme Court of Justice, 1 representative of College of Lawyers of Honduras, 1 National Commission of Human Rights, 1 representative of Honduran Council of Private Enterprises, 1 representative of the professor of the School of Judicial Sciences, 1 representative of organizations of civil society, 1 representative of Confederation of Workers. Then we have Attorney General and Deputy Attorney General are appointed by the National Congress for a term of 4 years. Public Prosecutor General is appointed by National Congress. There is Council of Judiciary and the members of the same have a term of 5 years. So friend, these were certain courts, tribunals which are there in Honduras. In our next episode, we will see what are the other features which are there in the Constitution of Honduras. Thank you.